Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will inform you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying my content, please take a second to do that for me. It helps me grow on the YouTube platform. All right, today we are going through the Boxycharm add-ons. I'm starting to receive them. I'm so excited because this one was one that I really didn't need, and there was one item that I said, you know, I'd love to have a backup of it. If it's still available, I'm going to get it. I've been getting my boxes a little bit later in the month, so I think I was trying to fill that little bit of a void that I wasn't getting my boxes. So if you're not familiar, the Boxycharm add-ons, they've been staying open longer, but it usually starts on when you get to make your choice item for the next month. It does come on its own, shipped in a plain brown box. That's why you'll see in the picture I'm holding a brown box and then the Boxycharm box, so that you'll know that it's a Boxycharm products that I've been getting. One of them is also one that I got in my box in a color, and I was a little curious to know what the next color up would be, and because the price was so good in the add-ons, I ended up getting that, so I was showing them both to you here, so you'll be able to know the difference between the two, so that if the add-ons happen in the future again and these show up, you'll be able to know which color might suit you better, because the one that I thought wasn't going to be good, which is what they chose for me, I think ended up being the right color, so it's ironic. All right, so the first item that I chose for myself was a brand that was going to be new to me, and it's from this brand called Cinemasecrets, and they're saying it is the ultimate eyeshadow in 5-in-1 Pro palette, and it's a Chroma collection, and that's what it came in here, this box. And then it came in this beautiful, beautiful packaging. Inside here, there was a piece of foam, so I really wasn't sure what it was all about, and when I removed the foam, it showed me these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And this I ended up paying $12 for. It is a $40 value. They're saying this is called their Ultimate Eyeshadow 5-in-1 Pro Palette, and like I said, it's called the Chroma Collection. And I ended up choosing this because I ended up getting the Viseart palettes that were all matte, and I figured this would be a nice companion to it because all of these seem to have that shimmer to it that I think would take those eyeshadows up the next level. So I just thought that if I was going to carry that palette, I would definitely want to have some shimmer shades with me, and that's what this is all about. So this one, they said, if you've never seen high density, rich metallic colors like this before, with shades of atomic silver, rose flare, gold horizon, cosmic copper, and beyond bronze, they're sure to shatter your expectations with any look. This is the perfectly grouped collection in a new, sleek, lightweight case, easy for travel. They're saying it is rich color payoff, it's long wearing, it's buildable color, and you can use it wet or dry. So I'm going to do some swatches of this at the end in case you guys have already seen this. If not, we'll do some swatching. The other item that is, and when you open it up, I should show you here, there is a small little mirror that goes the top area here, which is perfect. And it also comes with one of those brushes that are those synthetic fibers that is really, really small. So when you have eyes like mine, you look for brushes like this, especially if you want to use these in the corner of your eyes or just a little dab in the middle of your eyeshadow. So really, really excited that that brush came with it too. So I thought this was an absolute find. The next item was one of a replenish for me. And I'm going to show you a couple of things. It is from Ofra, and this is their banana powder, and I swear by this powder. And this is my backup. So this is my original one that I got in my box that I chose as my choice item. And then when I saw it available, and like I said, this is my second order, I wanted to make sure that I had a backup for it. This, because I'm getting close to pan on the one that I have, which I'm going to show you. This one is it cost me $6, and it's a $35 banana powder. And they're saying this is the innovative matte powder. It is lightly banana scented and it's extremely versatile. You can use it to conceal dark under eye circles, to set your concealer or your foundation. You can use it as a highlighter or even as a matte eyeshadow. I use this as my last step under my eyes. So it comes with a full mirror. This is how huge this pan is. It is beyond. Do not be afraid that this is that, and the scent is very, very light. That you'll see here. And then when I put it on my hand, you will see how it brightens up that whole area. So what you do and what I do is I use one of my e.l.f. fluffy brushes that is a dome shape, and you can see how as soon as you take it with a brush and you fade it out, it really doesn't show up. All it does is brighten the area. And this is one that I have used time and time again. It's coming out of my travel bag. Like I said, when I saw that this was even available as an option, I could not believe it. And because I was getting ready to replenish, and this is what the two colors look like. So this is the one that is from my, like I said, it's been in my travel bag. I've used this wet, I've used this dry. This has been through the ringer. And then this is the newest one that we just received now. So I am over the top that now I have a replenish of it, and that I got it for such an amazing, amazing price. But this is my last step that helps brighten up that eye area. And this is all that I do to touch up during the day. If I've been, you know, at trade shows and stuff all day long, and then we're going out for dinner, this is the only thing that I take that dome brush. I take this, and I literally don't even need it, but I feel it just gives me a little extra brightening. But you really don't need to replenish, to retouch this. But I couldn't resist for $6. So that's what the second item ended up being. The next item is from Pure. And Pure is a line that I really enjoy. And this is their 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder. And this is their face palette. And this is the one that came in my box when I got my Boxycharm monthly box. And the one that I got it in is in Fair.Light. That's what it says on the side there. And I was like so hesitant, like I couldn't believe that they would put a product Fair.Light in my bag. And then you'll see the difference between the one that's MediumTan. And they were so on the money with, I just think that it's wrong to call this Fair.Light. But I understand it now that I got the MediumTan one. So this is the 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder Face Palette. And it is the, it says it's a stunning mix of bronzers, highlighter, blush, and a translucent setting powder. It's arranged in travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt, highlight your perfect look. You could accentuate your best features, bringing out the best in you with this exclusive collection. So I'm going to show you and we'll swatch, and it comes a huge mirror on the top here, so it is fantastic for travel. And this is the one that's in Fair.Light, and I'm going to do some swatching of this right here. And these palettes for me are ones that I gravitate to because of my lifestyle where I travel so much. But even if you're not traveling, this is something that is such an easy way to get ready because it has everything in it. It has your highlighter, your bronzer or your contour, your blush, and a highlighter all in one palette. And it is an absolute win. So like I said, these colors were perfect. And if there was not an add-on sale, I probably would have been very happy and not even tried to get another one. But I'm going to see what I ended up paying for this. I think $9. And then this is the one that's in MediumTan, which is the one that I ended up purchasing. And it is so deep, the hues. That's what this looks like here. So let me open up both so you guys can see the differences up close, so that if you were on the fence and you were afraid also like I was about the Fair.Light. So this one is the Fair.Light and this one is the MediumTan. So look how deep those colors are in the MediumTan. So this one is perfect for my skin tone. So for anyone light, medium, fair, tan, I think this one would be perfect. I think this is definitely one more for deeper skin tones, but I'm going to swatch it for you guys. And then I end up using these type of palettes for other things like eyeshadows and things like that. So I'll do that right above it here so you guys can see the differences. The blush is stunning, and the only thing that I think would be too deep is the bronzer, but to me I would definitely be able to use that as an eyeshadow. So for $9 to get all this, I am really, really happy. So they were 100% right with choosing the fair to light one for me, but now I have both, so I'll be able to play. All right, and that's what that is there. And then the last thing we're going to do is the swatching of this gorgeous palette, which is what started all of this off. And let me just wipe my fingers here, and we'll see if I can didn't bring a wet cloth out here, so give me 1 sec. I'll just try to wipe these down as best I can just with a tissue that I have on here. Okay, that should be good. All right, and we'll just do these. So these are coming across that they are a little loose in the pan. So to me, I think it's one, oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. I have not seen anybody swatch these. And guys, if you see this in the future, this is an absolute win. Oh my God. Like literally, I'm like touching it like so little. Look at these pops of color. Absolutely stunning. All right, this one is called Cinemasecrets. It is the Ultimate Eyeshadow 5-in-1 Pro Palette. This was $12. It is a $40 value. Like I said, the colors are here on the back. This is an absolute win. If you guys see this in the future, do not pass this up. This was a shock and surprise, and pleasantly surprised. Just beautiful. All right, okay, so this is my second add-on order. The last add-on order that I did was based on when I finally got my boxes. I was missing a couple of the items that were once on my list when I saw that they were possibilities that were supposed to be in the boxes. And as you know, I get 2 base and 2 premium on my channel, and I didn't get those items. So that will be the last add-ons that I did, and I got very lucky because the add-ons I got my boxes, let's say on that day, and then the next, and I immediately went to the add-ons to do my order, and then the next day the add-ons weren't there anymore. So I got very lucky, but my boxes have been coming later and later, and I've also been lucky that when they did arrive, that the items that I still wanted were still available in the add-ons. So I was really excited to get that. And just so you know that there is a little fabric that's inside of here. So don't be concerned that when you get it, if it looks like the colors aren't there, there's just that little extra safety of piece of foam in there so that it doesn't, that everything comes without it getting shattered. So really happy about that. As always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is still so important that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.